Welcome to the Focus Area Selection Protocol. This is a great protocol to help you to narrow your focus. I love the saying, if you try to focus on everything, you'll accomplish nothing. And my experience shows that that's true. In order to address this, I do like to show this, this picture. I really like this. It says, "A rising tide lifts all boats." And if you're looking at certain curriculum areas and certain essential standards in your curriculum, there are some things that are more important than others. There are some things that, if you address them, they will impact other areas, either in your curriculum or outside of your curriculum, in a broader range. For example, in elementary school, reading is a tide that will lift all the boats. So if a student masters the skill of reading at a high level, they are going to automatically improve in all the other areas: arts, writing, math, social studies, science. All of those areas are impacted positively when a student learns how to read well. The tide lifts all the boats. In your curriculum area, there are certain things that are going to lift many boats, maybe not all boats, but certainly if they're able to accomplish those key things very well, they're going to be able to succeed. So when it comes to your plan, your focus area, you want to look at the data, and that's this bottom bullet right here. The characteristic is you've used the data analysis protocol. You determine the areas that you're struggling, and out of those areas there's going to be some that are more important than others. Whenever you select a focus area, it needs to be specific. If it's too general, it's not going to have really any impact. If it's specific, you're going to be able to target that specific skill or that area, and you'll have an impact. It also needs to be something that's high leverage, as was discussed with the rising tide. Something that will impact a broad range of different areas. In this protocol, you're going to be using the result of the data analysis protocol. You're going to individually review those answers. You're going to use the 3 A's protocol: agree, argue, and what should be the focus area. These answers are written on the board. So these are all around the horn. So remember, with around the horn, nobody speaks twice before everybody speaks once, and make sure that everybody gets a chance to answer the questions. You'll have open group discussion, and there's really no specific way to make that happen. Somebody's going to need to propose a focus area. After all that conversation, after all that discussion, we hope that something has risen to the top and makes sense for everybody. So some team member, we hope, will put forward an idea. And maybe that's not where you end up, but it's a good place to start, no matter what is thrown out there. But there's a fist to 5 protocol. A fist means there's no way I can support this idea. 5 means I support it and I will champion it. And then, of course, anything in between is different levels of that. So you can repeat that for all other proposals. The important thing is that by the end, the will of the group is known. There might not be 100% of everybody who agrees on the focus area that you've decided on. But everybody's voice has been heard, and the will of the group is known. And there's really not too much scientifically to say about how to do that, but when everybody's had a voice and the majority of the people believe that the focus area has been identified, then we move forward. You record that in the improvement plan. Here is the school leadership team's improvement plan. And on this one, the area of focus is right here. So once that area of focus has been identified, you want to put it right here. If this is the PLC improvement plan, you won't have all of these specific areas. It'll just be kind of blank there, so you'll put your area of focus there. Good luck. Remember, narrow that focus. Put your energy in a place where it can really make a difference.